Hello, my dear students. Welcome to APIC platform. My name is Narendra Kumar Sharma, and I am a senior lecturer of mathematics in school APIC. Okay, my dear friend, and again welcome for my next lecture. And now we are using formula of cos a. How do we are using cos a plus b and cos a minus b formula? Okay, my dear students, find the value of cos 15 degree, cos 75 degree, cos 105 degree. Okay, solution. Cos 15 degree. Here is cos 45 minus 30. Okay. Now we are using cos A minus B formula, and this is cos A cos B plus sin B. Here what is the value of A? This is 45. And what is the value of B? This is 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. Okay, my dear student. And what is the value of cos 45? Again we are saying value of cos 45 and sin 75 are same. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Value of 45, sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 here is 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. There is root 3 into 1 is root 3. 2 into root 2 is the root 2 root 2. Plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now we are taking some LCM. 2 root 2, 2 root 2. Here is 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay. Another we have multiplying or rationalize root 2 by root 2. Root 2 is multiplied by root 3 is root 6. Root 2 is multiplied by 1 is root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is a 2. 2 by and 2 into 2 is a 4. Okay, my dear students, this is the finally answer of cos 15 degree. Okay, cos 15 degree is equal to under root 6 plus under root 2 upon 4. Okay, my dear students, this is your answer. I think you have noted. So we have to start another question. My next question is cos 75 degree. This is cos 45 plus 30 degree, and we have using formula cos a plus b. And what do you mean by cos a plus b? cos A cos B minus sin B. Okay, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Let A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30 degree. Okay, cos 45 plus 30, cos 45 sin 45 sin 30. Both are identical. Here is A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30. A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30, A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30. Okay, first you will note the solution. Okay. Cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now we have taken LCM. Here is 2 root 2, 2 root 2, so therefore LCM is 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1. Now we are multiplying or rationalize root 2 by root 2. Root 6 minus root 2 upon 4. This is your cos 75. I think you have enjoyed this question. I remember, understand this question? Okay. Now we have taken another question or uses of cos A plus B or cos A minus B. This is the last uses of cos A plus B or cos A minus B. Cos 105 degree. Cos 60 plus 45. This is cos A plus B. So we have using formula of cos A plus B. Cos A plus B, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Okay, and these two lines are identical. Here is A is equal to 60 degree and let A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 45 degree. So we have take another line 60 degree plus 45 degree cos 60 degree cos 45 degree sin 60 degree sin 45 degree. Okay, my dear students, first of all you have noticed the solution. Cos 60, this is a 1 by 2. Cos 60 is the value of cos 60 is just like a sin 30. Okay, I think you have remember in class 10th. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60. Root 3 by 2. Sine 45. 1 by root 2. One minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. Now we have rationalized cos 105 degree 1 minus root 3 root 2 by root 2. Okay, my dear students, root 2 into 1, this is root 2, root 2 into 3, root 6 by 4. So finally, value of cos 105, root 2 minus root 6 upon 4. Okay? Okay, thank you. And next, my next formula is tangent of sum or difference. Okay? Tan A plus B, tan A plus B, tan B, tan A minus B, minus tan B, okay, my dear students, tan A plus B. Here is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. In my next class, we are using our formula of tan A plus B. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.